Hey everyone! So we did check in and we went to our site, we put our tent up. It's like almost 20 degrees hotter than what the weather app showed us. So we were low on water, no ice, very not well planned out. I drove out to find some gas station or small market to get all those things. I brought Amit with me because there's absolutely no shade. It's so hot.
I feel bad. I mean, we're not staying here more than we're leaving tomorrow, thank goodness. And we're just passing by here. We are going to Cookware area because I just don't want him to suffer.
Just one night, and hopefully tonight it's going to be very, very chill. Until then, my mission is to keep this little buddy nice and cool. So I'm gonna go get a lot of ice, a lot of cold drinks, and hopefully some eggs because for dinner we're trying to make bibimbap, and what's a bibimbap without some eggs, fried eggs, you know? But I'm gonna get what I can get, and then I'll check in with you guys in a bit. It's so pretty here though. Oh my gosh, it's so like breathtaking. It's amazing.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the car.
Oh, there's ice right there. It's an ice vending machine. I totally forgot. Quickly stop here. So, I got some Coca-Cola, some beer, some water, and a bag of ice. I will see you guys in a bit. That's it.
얼마 했어?
총 13불 나왔어.
네, 넥스. 우리 다음에 호텔 가면 피자 사줄까? 여기 먹고 싶은 거 있어?
나 진짜 타코스 먹고 싶다. That's why I wanna go to Amarillo or something. 아이스박스 맨 밑에 있는데.
왜 이렇게 초록 색깔일까?
이거 니밥 같지? 아니야.
맛있다. Don't look the same.
진짜 맛있지? Oh my god. Hi everyone, we just finished eating. What kind of? I made so much food. We were really full. Update, there are a lot of bugs here. So we're thinking tomorrow morning we're gonna do a really early hike when it's a little cooler for Ame. And then we're gonna head north actually to find a cooler area. It's just too hot here, even for Dong and I. We're cleaning up because we're very full. We're trying to digest a little bit. Sun is going down, so we're really excited to see the stars tonight. That's like literally one thing that I'm really looking forward to right now. View is amazing. Like, I can't believe we just made bibimbap in the middle of this. There is another site next to us. I thought they'll be here, but I'm not sure. I think they will later today. We are surrounded by bison poop. I kept eating, and I try to look around like the mountains, like the rocks and stuff, and I see bison poop. I'm like, oh my god, I don't want to eat anymore. I'm going to just keep vlogging to leave this as a memory. In 2022, we camped here and made bibimbap.
That's a bet. Good morning, everyone. We're just taking a quick hike around the many trails around here before we head out. It's very windy. It's windy last night, windy this morning, but we packed everything, so after a hard hike, we just have to head out. But both of us got great sleep. Ahmed slept like 12 hours, I think. So many wolves. I really wish I could have caught them howling on my phone, but it sounds like a wolf. Too bold to. It was so fast.
Oh yeah, it was really, really cool. Yeah, it really felt like we were sleeping in the middle of the wilderness. Although it is a campground, but it felt really special and cool. It's very windy though. I think I woke up like once because of the wolves, once because of how windy it got. Here it comes. It's not as bad as being outside than inside the tent when it's like all flappy. Gigi? What's that? Oh my god, yeah. Come on. So we are about to end our hike here. Oh my gosh, Amin always needs something to carry in his mouth when he's hiking. So don't give his socks, but he keeps leaving it. And I have to pick it up. Anyways. It's getting hot, so we're gonna end our hike. We're almost back to our car. Hope you guys enjoy another episode, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys! So cute. Hi Fred, oh my god, he's so cute. I name it Buffalo.
Bison the buffalo.
No, Buffalo the bison.